We'll guide you through how to add a phone number to your phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to go and do, because then if they go and call or message you, their name will appear. And it also means you can easily go and contact them in the future. You can go and search your contacts for their name, and you can go and find their number and call them or message them. So to get started, we need to go and find the Contacts app. You can have a contacts book. Swipe across your home pages and see if you can find it. Otherwise, swipe up. Then you want to go and press search at the top, and you can type in contacts or go and find the Contacts app. As you can see, it's just here, so we can go and tap on it like so. Then what you want to do is go and head to the bottom right, and you can go and find the plus, and you can go and tap there. Now what we can do is go and type in their first name at the top. You can add a picture if you want to as well. So I'm going to go and type that in now. Then you can go and type in their surname. Then you can go and scroll down, add a company, add their phone number if you want to as well. And then you can tap on phone. So I'm going to go and type that in now. You can scroll down and you can add more info down here as well. And then you can go and press save in the top. And they've now been added. You can go and then call, message, video. If you added their email, you could email them there as well. And then you can search your contacts and find them, and that's it. And of course, when they call you, you'll go and see their name as well and message you.